In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to quickly set up and install the Reolink TrackMix WiFi yourself. Before the setup, make sure you have the following items. Make sure your Reolink app is updated to the latest version to connect and power it on. Connect your camera to the router with an Ethernet cable. One end goes to the network port on the camera, and the other to the LAN port on the router. And then power on the camera with the power adapter. The next step, add your camera to the Reolink app. And you have two options now: add the camera automatically or add it manually. To add your camera automatically, you need to make sure your phone is connected to the same network as the camera, and the Add Device Automatically option is enabled. Then you'll see your device on the screen. You can just tap it to enter the initialization page. If you choose to add the camera manually, tap the Add Device button and scan the QR code on the camera. Or tap Input UID/IP to type in the UID number or IP address. Or tap LAN to scan all the devices within the LAN and add your camera from the device list. Note that to scan the devices in LAN, you also need to connect your phone and camera to the same network. Next, initialize the camera. Create a login password and name your camera. Lastly, you need to connect it to the Wi-Fi. Go to the settings page of the camera. Tap Network, and then select the Wi-Fi you would like to connect your camera to. Input the password, tap Save, and you can unplug the network cable from the camera. Now your TrackMix Wi-Fi has been successfully set up. To install the TrackMix Wi-Fi yourself, first check if you have the following items. Some installation tips for you. To ensure a strong Wi-Fi signal and avoid signal interference, please don't put the router near electrical devices like mobile phones, microwaves, etc. To ensure image quality, avoid pointing the camera to direct sunlight, mirrors, or glass windows. To install the camera on the wall, first put the mounting template on the wall and drill holes as shown. Then screw in the mount base to the wall. To adjust the camera direction, you may control the camera to pan and tilt via Reolink app or client. To install the camera on the ceiling, put the mounting template on the ceiling and drill holes as shown. Then screw in the mount base to the ceiling. To adjust the camera direction, you may control the camera to pan and tilt via Reolink app or client. To ensure a long-lasting performance of the camera, you can install the waterproof lid provided to cover the Ethernet cable connector and prevent water intrusion. Any questions about the setup and installation? Don't hesitate to tell us in the comment or contact our support team.